Property repairs shouldn't be stressful, and with Exodia Property Management, they're not. At Exodia Property Management, we handle all maintenance and repair needs so property owners don't have to. Plumbing and electrical to appliance repairs, HVAC, painting, landscaping, and emergency calls, we take care of it all. Our licensed and trusted technicians respond fast, keep you informed, and document every repair with photos, invoices, and clear communication. No chasing contractors, no surprise costs, just protected assets, happy tenants, and repairs done right the first time. If you own rental property in South Florida and want hands-off maintenance you can trust, visit www.exodiapropertymanagement.net and request your management quote today. Exodia Property Management, you own the property. We handle everything. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Exodia Property Management. Follow us on Twitter at Exodia_property.